Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. Today we are back again with our new story of Unit 8. I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays and completed all the homework. So today we are going to study one new story. What is the day today? Day is 7 and we have taken the topic of reading and listening section. We have taken the story The Caves of Ajanta. So now let's discuss about it. Okay, so now see The Caves of Ajanta. Author is Tara Iyer. So now here we can see the Ajanta caves are located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Ajanta caves are located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. As we are living in Uttar Pradesh and Lakhimpur is the district, na? In the same way, Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. They are more than 2000 years old. Very old. You have seen na? Suppose the thing which is very old. So the caves are 2000 years old. Now let's see. The caves are cut from the rocks of a cliff. The caves are cut from the rock of a cliff. It means the caves are cut into small pieces and that pieces form a shape of a cave in themselves only. They form a curved shape around the Vangora river. They form the shape of curve. For example, see here. Suppose this is the river. This is the river. And outside there is a bridge. So it is like a curved shape. In the same way, they form a curved shape around the river. What is the name of river? Vangora river. Next, see. There are about 30 caves in total. How many caves are there? 30 caves. In the first cave, there is a tall image of the Buddha. In the first cave, there is a tall means very big image of Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha, you know, Lord Buddha is a, you can say he is a god only. The people of Buddhist community worship them. And like we worship our god, in the same way they worship. Okay. So there are 30 caves in total. In the first cave, there is a tall image of the Lord Buddha. Now see next. What is it? Inside the caves, you will see his sculptures. Inside means, suppose inside means to see inside inside the something. Suppose there is a class, and when I enter in the class, so that is the inside of the class, and outside inside. So inside of the cave, you will see his sculptures. Sculpture means old paintings or old, you can say, ideas, like just like statue, you can see same way. There are beautiful wall and paintings too. Beautiful means so good, so elegant. So there are so many beautiful paintings and walls and paintings. These paintings show the life of Buddha. The paintings are on Buddha. They show their life of Buddha. The Ajanta caves are protected monument and World Heritage Site. World Heritage Site means, you know, World Heritage Site means the buildings which are old or the world has called them the old ones. So that are known as World Heritage Site means they are very old. Like you can say Taj Mahal, India Gate, and many more example you can take now. So now see last one. They are very popular tourist destination in India. They are very popular tourist destination. Tourist destination mean beta the places which are very old and mostly people like to visit. Suppose you have seen the craze of visiting the Taj Mahal. Like this way, the buildings which are very old. So people are curious to see. That's in the same way they are very popular tourist destination in India. So I hope the story is clear. Now we will discuss word meaning of the story. Thank you everyone. Okay, so let's discuss word meanings. What are the vocabulary words? First one is caves. natural or man-made spaces formed in a hill or a cliff. Like you can see that is sometimes it is a natural or human have made them. Like big rocks upside there is a, they form their own shape. They don't have a specific shape. They can in any shape. You can call gufai. Okay, that is known as caves. Next one is cliff. A steep rock face on the side of a mountain. See, it is a straight mountain that form the shape of straight mountain. It is known as cliff. Next is curve. Curve means bend. Curve means bend. Next one is sculptures. Object made by shaping wood, clay, stone, metal, and so on. Like you have seen, for example, I have told you, or your ma'am has told to bring clay in the class, and then you make different objects from clay. In the same way, these are the paintings or these are the statues that are made from the clay. Next, protected. Protected means prevented from being harmed. For example, suppose if you don't have home and you live on the road, so then there will be so much problem, na? Sometimes rain will happen, then it will also a problem. So home protectors, in the same way, protected means prevented from being harmed. That nobody can harm us. Nobody can harm that building. So that is means protected. Tourist destination. Tourist destination means a place likely to visit by tourists. The place that is very famous, or the people have listened so much about them. So if you get to know about some place, and then you will be also excited not to see that place. That is known as tourist destination. The places will become famous and people are excited to see that places are known as tourist destination. I hope all the vocabulary words are clear. If anyone has any confusion, then you can message me. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, now let's discuss the question answer of this story. Why do you think the Ajanta caves are a protected monument? The Ajanta caves are protected monuments. Why do you think? Any idea? Yes, because in the story we have read that they are very old, 2000 years old, and they are so much beautiful. So the thing which is beautiful, you would like to keep it safe. You would like to keep it protected, or you will destroy it. You will like to protect it, na? So I think the caves should be protected because they are more than 2000 years old and they are very beautiful. Next question. What is the story about? That is clear. What is the story about? The story is about the caves of Ajanta, as we have seen in our topic, the caves of Ajanta. Next. There are very popular tourist destinations in India. What does the underlying word mean? Popular. Do you know the meaning of popular? Something that is very famous and everyone likes to see. So, popular meaning is, see what are the options? Famous and liked by all. Disturb people, eat dirty food. Eat dirty food? No. Disturb people? No. Famous and liked by all? Correct answer. Famous and liked by all. Because everyone like that. So that is known as the popular. Next, what must you do to keep a monument clean and tidy? Let's relate to our life. If we have to keep our house neat and clean, what should we do? We should not throw garbage here and there. Yes or no? We should take care of the things. We should not throw things here and there. In the same way, if we have to keep a monument clean and tidy, we should not, when we visit there, we should not throw garbage and we should not write on the wall. That is also, so 2 points you can write. And I will send you this worksheet also, and the answers you will complete by yourself by reading the story. I hope there must not be any confusion. But if you are confused, then you will tell me. I will explain the story again in the class. Thank you everyone. Bye.